Outstanding design defines the 2022 Ram 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, automatic temperature control, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.